you don't like it, you know what to do, innit? Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, boy.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you know, I cook on this channel. Now the menu for you guys today, I'll be making... What am I going to be making? I don't even know the name of this food that I'm going to be making, guys. It's basically a loaf of bread with stuffing of, which contains of some sujuk sausages, some normal sausages and cheese, basically. This is totally the opposite of being healthy. I don't know. You guys can comment below what you think this is called or what I should call the title, even though it's going to be a bit late. But whoever comes up with the best name, I will shout out your Instagram on the next video. So comment below, guys. But before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, MosToosifar. Follow me on Instagram, MosToosifar as well. Let's begin the show. Ladies and gentlemen, here we start. Here we go. Already I've got some normal sausages, and these are sujuk sliced sausages already. Don't mind if I do. Beautiful. Amazing, amazing. Loaf of bread. What you want to do is just take that top layer off, okay? What you want to do it, can you guys see that? Breadcrumbs obviously will go everywhere, but it's fine. We can clean it up after. Just be careful with your fingers, guys. Okay? Now this bread is a little bit obviously dry. So we've got to kind of like bite it, but you want to try and keep this bit intact in one piece, okay? You want to place that in there, right? And then just all of these, you want to take it out, okay? Guys, I am going to warn you, this is nowhere near anything healthy, okay? So if you're not interested in unhealthy food, this isn't for you, I guess. I'm sorry. But this is going to be yummy. And yeah, and therefore I will need to go on a diet starting from tomorrow. So you empty out the bread, you take out all the excessive bits of those. It didn't come out as I expected it, but this will do, right? So there's that. We'll leave that there for now. What you want to do is get some mayo. Oh. Squeeze it out, cover the whole bread, the inside of the bread, okay? Go all around. That's not me, by the way, guys, alright? That's enough. Now, go into it with a bit of ketchup. Yeah. The reason why I'm moving it about is so we get the inner bit full of sauce. Okay. Now, just get you a little spoon. Make sure all the corners inside is all saucy, just like so. Saucy! What? I don't know. Don't judge me, guys. Right? There's that. Once that's done, go like that. Get rid of that. Now, we got our sujuk sausages. Let me just turn around so you guys can see better. Is that better? See what I mean? By putting all around inside it, all sauce and all of that. Oh, yeah. Sticking your Cedric sausages. Yeah, don't be stingy with it either. Fill it up. Okay. Get in there. Just fill up the middle. Amazing. Good stuff. Right? Now, let me clear this out of the way to bring over another plate. Oh boy. Okay, here we have 2 pieces of mozzarella cheese. You know what I'm going to do with it, right? Slice it up. Yeah. This is my first time actually using mozzarella cheese. Never used it before. I don't think I've even touched it before. So yeah. This stuff, if you don't know, you buy it in a packet, right? And in the packet is obviously the cheese. And there's like water inside the cheese. I don't know, to keep it moist and stuff, I guess. So yeah. There you are. Just cover it all up, basically. Get it right in there. Yeah? Guys, can I just tell you to have clean hands when you're doing. I don't want to catch you doing cooking with dirty hands. Believe you me, we will argue. And I'll make sure no one eats your food. Okay. Get a little one there. And put one there. It's a lot of cheese, right? My God. Now, get this out of the way. Sausages. Now sausages you can do however you want to cut them really. I'm not going to go anything fancy. I'm just going to slice them up like so. Right, or even just chop them up actually. It doesn't really bother me. I think that's better. Yeah? Just went right into my nail. Got to be careful. Right. Get it in. Bang. Move over. Bosh. And so on. Right? Now, we'll see how we're doing. We'll place some sausages in. Okay. This is a proper, you know, a stuffed turkey, or a stuffed turkey, whatever you call it. Well, this is a stuffed bread, right? This is how we do bread stuffing. Get it in. I think I'm gonna, yeah, call it enough. I'm not gonna do another one, right? Because yeah, we ain't got no more space. Now, what we need to do is get some grated cheddar cheese. Right. I know everyone's watching this and thinking, oh my God, what are you doing? You are making me hungry and you're kind of making me sick at the same time with all the cheese and stuffing that's going on. Listen, man, if you don't like it, you know what to do, innit? Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, boy. Right, that's enough. For now, of course. Okay. What I'm gonna do is put the lid on. The lid on. Oh my God! I totally forgot about the oven. Preheat. I'm gonna turn it up now. Right? What you wanna do, squish it down, make sure it all touches each other intact and everything. Okay? Put a little bit more cheese just on the top. Like so. Okay. This is making quite a big mess. I'm glad I used this big plate. Okay, there's that. Right? And then you just want to get some more of these Cedric sausages and just place them on top, just like so. Done. We're just going to wait for the oven to cook heat up for about 10 minutes. Place it in the oven, and then we're going to leave it in there for about 15-20 minutes. Take it out. Bob's your uncle. Simple. So it's been a few minutes. The oven is hot enough. Just prior to the video, I got my baking tray, put baking paper in there, just like so. And now we're gonna place this bad boy carefully, right bang on the middle, right? Check it out. This is what it looks like, obviously, before the oven. So we're gonna place it in the oven. Okay, leave it at 160. Give it for about 15 minutes. Come back and check up on it, see how it is. Okay, so we are ready. It's been about 15 minutes or a little bit more. Let's turn this off. Oh wow. Look at that. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, caramba. Have a look. Oh, wow. That was about to flop. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Right? Oh, God. It is slippery. There we go. Yeah. Can you see the oil on the Cedric sausages? You see that? Right, what you want to do now is get a knife. Oh boy, here's the scary bit. You want to get a knife and then you need to chop it up right down the middle. The bread is of course very dry and crispy. I don't know if it's gonna cut through that meat or not. I'm just gonna stab it and hope for the best. Just take those out. Right. Get those out of the picture. I don't want to try and lift it just in case. But let me just. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. That is what the inside of it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful. Right, now what you do is quite simply, you get your plate. You've got a bit of pickle, you've got a bit of cherry tomatoes, stick it there, and there you are. A monster sandwich, you could say. A monster sandwich, stuffed bread. I don't know. Comment below what you guys think I should call this. Yeah, bon appetit. Make sure you share, like, subscribe, and comment, guys. See you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come